Well, there's no shortage of cold for this weekend. We have feels like temperatures, near zero in the single digits and teens, actual air temperatures, looking at very cold conditions across our region for this weekend, looking at our East Providence camera, looking at the capital city, and we're quiet, no storms to talk about. We've had a little bit of snow yesterday, dusting in most cases, but that's really about it. And I haven't seen much in the way of any slick spots on the roads this morning as all of that salt has collected on the roadways. Radar is quiet again, nothing going on. The big story this weekend will be those temperatures, looking at 15 in Providence, 15 in Newport, 16 in Westerly, and 16 out in New Bedford. Now, when you factor in those northwest winds, they're about 10-15 miles per hour. Makes it feel a whole lot colder. Feels like 0 in Smithfield, 2 in Providence. Feels like 1 degree down even in the coast there in Newport. So again, you get the idea. Bundle up as you go out at any point today with these feels like temperatures on the very frigid side for today. Now looking at my 3 key things, frigid weekend, not only today but also tomorrow. Not as cold though as next week. We're looking at a pattern change for next week. We'll talk about that in just a second. But also watching the midweek time period for a perfectly timed storm perhaps with a little bit of snow to rain mix coming our way for later Tuesday into Wednesday. But we'll see that again in my 7-day forecast. Satellite radar, high pressure is going to be taking over. We'll be looking at quiet conditions. Storm system that impacted us briefly yesterday, exiting the area. Look at these temperatures across the entire country, and you can see most areas below freezing, if not in the 30s. And you can see a few warm spots here. I guess LA's at 57. That's not too bad. And Miami, 65 is the warmest spot on the map. But us here in Providence, 15 degrees. Now, what are we looking at as we go forward in time, as we go into next, looking at now through next week? Cold air, this is now in place. You can see all these dark blues. That indicates the cold air, of course, across our region. As we go forward, though, into next week, we're going to be seeing the jet stream eventually move up further northward. So you can see that making its way, receding back to the north. What happens is the warmer air makes its way up the eastern seaboard. And when I say warm, I'm saying, 40s to maybe even near 50 degrees for a brief time. Nothing too overwhelming, but definitely going to be feeling a whole lot better than what we're looking at out there right now. This is next week's setup by the middle part of the week. Notice these warmer temperatures trying to make their way up into the eastern seaboard here, as that jet stream does lift north a bit for next week. So that's kind of what we're looking at, what's going to be changing things a bit so that Arctic air can kind of go back up into Canada. So let's time things out. We certainly have it around us right now, and these temperatures in the teens to 20s for this afternoon. That's about it. Low 20s for highs. Clouds in place, maybe a couple peaks of sunshine, but that's not really going to be a whole lot going on. We have a little weak disturbance in the atmosphere passing on through today, which is why we have the cloud cover in place, but so much dry air. So I don't expect any precip with this, but maybe a passing flurry. That's really about it. I wouldn't bank on it at all for today. But look at these temperatures still staying in the teens overnight tonight and into our Sunday. But good news is for tomorrow, the sunshine does return. It's not going to help us all that much, though. Our temperatures will be a little bit warmer, but when I say warmer, I'm talking near 30 degrees, so that's really not going to be all that much as we go into the afternoon hours. You can see upper 20s to near 30 across much of the region, and again, looking at more sunshine for the second half of the weekend, so I guess that's a plus side, right? But there's that 7-day forecast. You can see the changes here better here. Notice the temperature trend is going up as we go into next week. Monday, upper 30s to near 40, and then we have some 40s to near 50 for next week, but at the same time, we have some rain to contend with, as that jet stream would be close enough to bring along some passing storms. So one thing I want to know about that 7-day forecast is Tuesday night and the Wednesday could see a period of snow changing to rain with that cold air holding on a little bit longer. But you can get all the details on our website at WPRI.com. So guys, if you don't like the cold, there's a little bit of a light at the end of the tunnel.
But there's rain. Well, I thought we got rid of the rain.
Yeah, a little more rain. A little bit more rain.
I think people who have endured all this flooding are kind of fed up with the rain. Maybe they'll take some snow.
It's still several days away.
Okay, good.
So that could potentially
change. It could change, yes.
All right. Well, thank you, Steven. Still ahead on 12 News this morning. The Celtics have been